Welcome to River and Vine, mindful task support for folding laundry. Let's make folding laundry a space to breathe, to reset, and to reconnect with the present. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. You're not in a rush, and this isn't about perfection. It's about presence. Begin by reaching into your laundry pile. Notice the texture of the first item in your hands. Soft, warm, familiar. Smooth it out gently and feel the rhythm of your breath as you move. Begin to fold laundry either by similarities or just whatever you first grab. And begin making similar piles. The socks from the shirts. Remember that you are here. You are doing enough, and each fold is a quiet act of care. Inhale as you pick something up, and exhale as you fold. Let that rhythm guide you. If your mind wanders, just come back to the moment. Picking an item up, folding, breathing, and repeat. You are present, and you are doing enough. Now bring attention to your body. Your feet grounded beneath you, your shoulders soft, your hands working without rush. You are allowed to move slowly and purposefully. You are allowed to feel peace here. Remember, you are tending to what matters. These clothes are a sign of living, moving, and loving. And for now, that is enough. Continue to fold with intention. Feel the seams, the weight of the piece of clothing in your hand, the stretch, stack or place the finished items with a calm awareness. Let your hands move in rhythm with your breath. You are creating order, piece by piece. No need to finish quickly. Just stay with the moment. If you feel tension, take a breath and let your shoulders drop. Notice if your tongue is held tight against the roof of your mouth. If it is, relax your tongue. If you feel distracted, gently return to the fabric in your hands. Each fold can be a reminder that you are here. You are steady, and you are doing something kind for yourself. Continue to notice the room around you. Is it cool or warm? If the fan is on, is there a breeze against your shoulders? As you continue to make organized piles of shirts and pants, if you are done folding, return the clothes to where they go, whether it's hanging in a closet or inside a dresser. If it feels good to start with socks, start there. And as you near the end of this load, or even if there's more ahead, pause to notice how you feel. Acknowledge it. This simple act, done with care, can be a form of rest. In this moment, don't feel the need to change. If you're feeling stress, or peace, or sadness, notice that in yourself. And take one final deep breath in, and exhale gently. Finish the soft rhythm of presence. You can return to finish the laundry if you're not done. Or if you are finished now, take pride in finishing this task for the day. Thank you for joining this mindful moment with River and Vine.